Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today y'all, I'm going to be showing you a little easy appetizer. Y'all know 'tis the season. And this is going to be a Christmas themed appetizer. And it's so quick and easy to put together, and I think it's just cute as a button. So we're going to start off with some pizza crust. So easy peasy, honey, you ain't got to roll nothing up. Now if you want to make your own pizza crust, you just do what you want to do. I've got an egg. I'm going to whip this because this is going to be our little egg wash on the top. So one little egg. We're just going to beat the daylights out of it for just a second. Pizza crust, y'all. Good old Pillsbury doing things for us, right?
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. This is the worst part, having to open these things. Lord, give you a hard start sometimes. Now have clean hands. No worries there. Let's move this. Now the mozzarella. Listen, it's just some mozzarella sticks from the food line. So quick and easy. We're gonna put this. This was some fresh parsley out of our little garden out there. So I'm going to move this around, and we're going to try to unroll this thing. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to spray this with a little bit of spray first. I love my little sprayer, y'all. Isn't it cute? My little Olivia sprayer. Alright, got the sprayer out the way. Now we're going to unroll this little bad boy up. Hopefully she ain't gonna stick. Alright, so we're gonna cut this. We need 30 pieces out of it. So we're gonna cut this 5 pieces this way. And they gotta be perfect, y'all. We're gonna roll them in little balls. It'll be alright. Don't gasp. And 6 pieces across. Alright, now, Lord, that's the hardest part, I think. Now we're going to pick these up. We're just going to put the mozzarella piece inside. I'm just going to roll them. You want to roll them good because all that goodness will just ooze right on out if you don't tuck it real good. This is how you want it. Alright. Tuck. Pinch, pinch, pinch.
Tuck and roll.
Tuck and roll. That's right. Pinch, tuck, and roll. Boom. So I'm going to get all these rolled out, and then I'll show you how we're going to shape it into a little Christmas tree and make something good out of this. Alright, y'all. Last little ball. Alright, I've got 30 of these. I'm going to start at the top and start with 1. Then 2, then 3. We're just going to make ourselves a little Christmas tree. Boop, boop. 4. No, 5. 6, 7. Then we go, yes, there's going to be there's our tree, just like that. Now I've got my little egg wash here, and we're just going to go ahead and just brush these. I could have rolled some of these a little bit better so they're prettier, but just going to brush it with the little egg wash. Obviously, if you want a bigger tray, you can just do a double pack of these. I used 6 of the mozzarella sticks, so just cut them in little pieces. Alrighty. In the oven, it's going to go, I've got my oven set at 400 degrees, and we're going to cook these for about 20-25 minutes. They're going to puff up, hopefully, and just be beautiful. And I'm going to make a little garlic butter to go over them. Yes, Lord. Yummy, yummy. And Hopefully they're going to be delicious. So in the oven they go, y'all. Okay, y'all, while my bread is cooking, I'm just going to mix up. This is just a little bit of garlic and some butter. So we're going to let this start getting happy in here. I want that garlic. I want the oils in the garlic to really come out in that butter. I'm going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning. Obviously, if you've got fresh seasoning, that's good. I'm going to leave my little fresh parsley sprinkle on top. Some oregano. I always just like a little extra oregano. It gives it like that, I don't know, that pizza flavor. It's good. I had something here y'all probably, dropped it. I had something here y'all probably can't find, but my sister gave it to me. It's some bread dipping seasoning. I might add it in mine. But right now I'm just going to do it just like this. And that butter's got some salt in it. So our butter, our garlic butter is ready. Look how yummy that looks. All those little spices in there. And that's just going to sit there and get real happy waiting on that bread. And also I've got some marinara sauce. So we're going to have some good dipping bread. If y'all know me, honey, bread is my, I love me some bread. So I'm excited over some bread. All right, let's give it a little minute to cook and I'll come back and let you see what it looks like. All right, y'all, she's out of the oven looking just scrumptious. Smells good too in here,
yes,
don't it, Russell? Oh, it smells good. All right, got this little garlic butter here ready for it. Just gonna brush it on. Yummy. That look good.
What?
Oh, you know bread's my thing. I love me some bread, y'all.
I don't see how this can't be good.
Ooh, yummy. Now, I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit of Parmesan cheese on this. Just because I think that would be delicious.
A little next level.
A little next level. So, just a little sprinkle like so. Yummy, yummy. Just enough to, make you shout, honey. I'll make you shout. All right, we're going to just put a little bit of this parsley, this fresh parsley on it. And that's all there is to it, y'all. Boom. Done.
Boom.
How easy was that?
Very easy.
Very easy. Another one that you could do, I'm sure, Russell. I have faith in you, baby. Yeah. I do. All right, y'all, look at that. Pan's hot. Look at there.
Old Christmas tree. Old Christmas tree.
Well, there's my alarm to get it out.
We didn't make it to 20 minutes quite.
All right, my phone was telling on me. I had it set for 20 minutes, and you can see this is done before. So at about 15-minute mark, start looking at it because I said, oh.
Everybody's oven's different, though.
Everybody's oven's different. Right. That is correct. So I'm gonna get some marinara sauce hot. We're gonna give this a little.
My time to shine.
It's your time to shine, baby. Come on. Okay, y'all, it's Russell's time to shine.
I don't know who's wanting to shine more here, y'all. This woman loves, I'm telling you. She been eating.
There may or may not be a few of these missing.
A couple of these already done.
Just one. I'm over here, you know. Got anything on my face?
She could be the taste. I will give up my job for this one if she wants to do that.
No, honey. I had to make sure it's okay. You know.
Safe for the children, y'all. Safe for the children. Yeah.
Now this is ours, so we're gonna be just picking it on.
Yeah. This ain't going to no parties or nothing like that.
No. So go ahead, Russell.
Y'all look. I'm coming over there where y'all can see up close. Hopefully the camera won't go blurry.
Look at that. Oh, bless.
Look at that. What?
It's good. Some good old marinara. Yummy. So good. That's a good one, ain't it?
That's a good one, y'all.
That's a good one. Simple. Once again, simple. Because, listen, we ain't got time to be doing all kind of fancy stuff.
That'd be great for a party. Any kind of party.
But you look at it, and you can do it up. You can put some stuff on, decorate it.
You can shape that into a football and have that at a Super Bowl party. I'm telling you, this would be absolutely fantastic.
You can.
For a snack. I mean, you know, I'm telling you.
It is, yeah. Super Bowl, anything.
College football playoff.
Yes.
Hey, look there. The Clemson Tigers back in them playoffs. How about that?
How about it?
Yeah. How about that?
Good stuff.
Man.
Anyway, y'all, another little treat for Christmas.
That's fantastic.
It's good, I know.
Yeah.
This ain't no game. It's good stuff.
Yeah.
Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna cut it short because I'm ready to get into it. But
making it hard for y'all.
It is. He's sitting there just eating. But anyway, it's delicious, y'all. Give it a try.
Let us know if you do.
Let me know if you do. I just love that. Just love it. All the feedback.
Yeah.
But anyway, y'all, until next time.